Hi, I'm Shan Wu with DC Student Defense, and I want to talk to you about how do you prepare, how do you get ready for a campus disciplinary hearing. So the first thing you should do is you definitely need to talk with an attorney to get ready for it, but not for the reasons you might think. This is not going to be like a court hearing. Your lawyer is not going to make arguments, cross-examine people, and if you don't use a lawyer, neither should you. These are very odd Alice in Wonderland kinds of proceedings, and particularly if there are students on the panel, that's generally a very tough situation because they have very little experience, they're trying to act like prosecutors, it can be a mess. So here's what a student defense lawyer will do for you, is we're going to reverse engineer the case, figure out what the theory of liability is for you, help you organize the defense. Identify witnesses, identify testimony, what kind of evidence can you put in, all with an eye towards what is going to be most effective with the university. Now, a lot of times, way before you get to this point, we want to be trying to get rid of the charge, knock it down ahead of time. But if you're at the point for the actual hearing, we're going to prepare you by talking you through potential questions, helping you prepare the statement, because another big difference between this and a court proceeding is the student has to do the talking. It's not the lawyer talking on their behalf. So 110% of the work is going to be done in preparation, behind the scenes, going through questions, mock questions to you, identifying what witnesses to be asked to, the witnesses that may be helpful to you or may be against you. And that includes professors. I mean, if it's some sort of an academic misconduct proceeding versus a disciplined conduct proceeding. Those are all the things you'll want to do to get ready, but the most important part is you might be thinking, why do we need a lawyer if it's not a courtroom proceeding? The same type of persuasion, the same type of advocacy, the same type of organization and strategy has to go into it, and it's probably even more important because there's not a structured proceeding the way there is in court.